Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering tools and assets. This gets you straight to work. Install an icon maker and a widget app, then save 2-3 transparent glass PNGs at 180 by 180 pixels so sizing is exact. Once done, pick a subtle, blurred wallpaper that shows glass edges versus busy patterns. Make sure Photos access is enabled for the apps. Now open the icon maker, import a glass PNG, and export an app icon file. We will use it with shortcuts next. Now you assemble widgets and link icons so the glass theme looks coherent. In your widget app, create a set of glass-style widgets. Set transparency, padding, and text color for contrast so widgets read over the wallpaper. Next, in Shortcuts, make a shortcut for each app. Action Open App, then tap the 3 dots, add to home screen, choose your exported glass icon. Once created, test launching each shortcut to confirm it opens the intended app without visual mismatch. Finish by arranging icons and hiding originals so only glass icons remain. Move originals to the app library and position your custom icons where you want them. Make any final widget size and grid spacing tweaks, then restart the device to ensure cache's update. If a shortcut shows a banner or opens slowly, rebuild that shortcut and re-export the PNG at exactly 180 by 180 pixels. This resolves most visual or scaling glitches. If problems persist, reinstall the icon maker and repeat the export step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.